This is a 2006 Honda Pilot. This vehicle has seating for 8 adults and a 3.5-liter V6. Its top features include a multi-link rear suspension, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: air conditioning, cruise control, full power accessories, a CD player, variable cylinder management, an electronic throttle, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, an anti-lock braking system, a rear window defroster, and a rear spoiler. Not to mention that this Honda qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this automobile in person.
Oxmoor Toyota is conveniently located at 8003 Shelbyville Road. Visit our website and view our entire inventory online at www.oxmoortoyota.com.